Okay, I'll try this again. Here we go, YouTube. I'm gonna take these glasses off. I don't think I need them anymore. But this pumpkin here, I harvested in July. Kept it in a cool, dark place in the pantry. And we just took it out in October. All the other pumpkins I gave to everybody else was already pre-cut just a little bit. My camera didn't work very well, but anyway, pulling this out. Pulled this out for October for Halloween, the fall, and everything looks good in it. All the seeds look good in there, and we're going to go ahead and cook the meat in here for a Thanksgiving pumpkin pie. So I was told that that's what we're gonna do, so we're gonna do that. So I got all these seeds. I guess you can eat the seeds. I'm gonna figure out how to do that. I'm gonna do something with those, but it doesn't feel slimy. I mean, it's got pumpkin slime, normal, but it doesn't feel any extra slimy in here. There's no mold or anything. It looks like it should. And I'm scraping out quite a few seeds here. Looks like some of those got some roots going on in here. Like that one there might want to grow. I might want to see if I can plant that one later on. Maybe grow some more pumpkins. But there's another one there. Another seed there. We'll put those over on the side because I probably want to plant those. There's another one. See if I can get it out there without destroying it. There we go. So we got 3 of them. Oh, there's another one. And then there's another one. There we go. Maybe we'll plant those. I don't think they'll do anything. And here's another one. Wow, there's more in there. I'll probably fast forward this as we get going. I don't think you want to sit here and look at me digging a pumpkin here for a long time. I almost got all the seeds out here. Here's I don't know if you heard that, but that was a camera that I tried to do this with at the beginning. It just automatically shut off. But let me see. And there's a lot of seeds in here. Okay, and there's a pumpkin without anything in it. I'll just take this top off here, cut all these there we go. I'll stick that back on there. If I can figure it out, there we go. And there we go. See you in a minute. Okay, here we go again. got my seed. I'm gonna go ahead and clean those off. I'm gonna do another video, so you have to come back and see that one. Okay, put those aside. Take that top off there. I think I'm gonna roast the top off in the thing too. And I think I'm gonna get a bigger knife. Ha ha, that should be a good. I'm gonna go down here. Just cutting these in sections. You can find many different ways to do this. One person says cut it down this in the middle. One person says do this. One person says do that. So I'm just doing this. Let me see. Cut that down. That down. Okay, we're getting our pieces. There we go. Got a bunch of pieces here. I'm going to get a spoon. And I'm going to get all this hair out of here. We'll just call it hair. I don't know what it is. Because nobody wants hair in their pie. That one looks good. If you try to remove hair in another way, I wouldn't recommend using a spoon. Probably a razor would be better. Seems like if you just get it underneath this, it comes off pretty good. Rather than just get all the each individual pieces off, but you might lose a little bit of pumpkin at the same time. And the last one here, other than the top. Okay, I don't know if you noticed, but I evolved over time here. First I was doing it this way, then I started doing it sideways because it seemed like it was a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the top off here. Okay, I got all my pieces done. Go ahead and clean this up before I get in trouble. And that's good enough for now. Put that aside. Get me a sheet here. Oh, I should put the oven on 375. start that up while we're doing this. That way I don't have to. Get some wax paper. Put it on my pan here. I'm going to put the best I can each one of these pieces in here. Hopefully I'll be able to get them all in there. Try to find a place for this thing here. Let's see. I'll turn this around. And we'll just stick it in there. I'm also going to give it a tint. I've never seen anybody do it this way, but what the heck. It's going to be my way. And if it turns out good, then we'll say a success. If it doesn't turn out good, then oh well. This is a pumpkin I didn't think was going to last this long anyway. So there we go. I'll go ahead and wait for the oven to preheat and we'll stick it in the oven. And through the magic of time manipulation, the oven is ready at 375, and we're going to put this in for 1 hour, and then through the magic of time, you will see. I'll pull it out. I'm not going to sit here and wait for an hour. But if anybody has any use for these things, all the hairs are pulled out of the pumpkin, please let me know with a comment. I hate to just throw it away. It looks like a lot of something you could eat. But I'll be making another video washing these seeds up and figuring out how to cook them. I'll let y'all know when I figure it out. But I'll do that on another video, so y'all have to come back and find out. Also plant those maybe on another video, see what happens to those. We'll see. But if you like what you saw, please subscribe, leave a like or a comment. I'll pull that out here in a little while. Okay, we're back through the magic of time manipulation. We'll pull this out. Let me find some. I should have probably got some mitts or something. Let's see here. There we go. Put those down there. Let me get the seeds out of the way. Then we'll see what it looks like. I guess supposedly take a fork and stick it in there. That's probably not ready. I think I'll put it back in for about 30 more minutes. Okay, see you in about 30 more minutes. Okay, let's take, take 3. I went ahead and pulled it out after 30 minutes. It still wasn't done, so I took the foil off, stuck it back in there for another 30 minutes. Hopefully it will be done this time. And if it isn't, we'll just say it, as my wife would say, it's caveman done. Okay. There we go. I'm going to turn the oven off because I'm committing to it being done. Okay, so I got a fork. I won't use that one. Let's see. Here it is. Okay, goes in the skin. Goes into the meat. I'd say that's good. I think I'm supposed to let this cool down, and then scrape it off, and we'll mash it up, and then put it in some bags. 3 cups per pie, and that'll be it. I've seen this happen to a lot of other people, but didn't think it would happen to me. But anyway, as you can see, I got a bag, a bag, a bag. Probably tells you I already did something that you didn't get to see. I'm sorry. Anyway, had the pumpkins that I scraped all the meat off of the skin, and emptied the bowl, and I got 3 cups, 3 cups, and 2 cups. So enough for 2 pies and something else. Sorry about that, but maybe I'll learn from this one. My wife wants me to start a channel. I don't really know if I want to, but if y'all want me to, let me know. She wants me to call it the Caveman Kitchen, because she thinks that I prepare things like a caveman. Maybe I do, but I guess if y'all had to watch me take all this stuff off the skin, you could have made your own evaluation. But from what it looks like, I just did a pretty good job. But let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe if you like what I've done so far. Sorry you missed the scrapings off of the stuff, but if you get a chance to let me know what y'all do with the scrapings inside the pumpkin, let me know, and I'll be doing the seeds, cleaning those off, and baking those later on. I'll make another video out of that for sure. But once again, sorry for all the missed content there that I wasn't able to get in there because I forgot to push the record button. So, y'all have a good day.